Get Minecraft MCPE 1.12 today. First, go to tweetboxapp.com. After downloading it, open it up. Wait for ad to pop up on left hand corner. Click next. Go to the apps bar and go to free App Store apps. Wait for it to load. Do not click the first one. Scroll down until you see 1.12.13 or later. Click install and then click install again. After installing, go to settings, go to general, go to profiles and device management, go to this one right here, or it may say something different, and click trust. After that, go here. After that, there would be an ad that will pop up, and then there will be an ad on the bottom middle of your screen where under settings and store. So you can click X at that, and the other one, click skip. If you have a Microsoft account, click sign in, or if you don't want to play multiplayer, just go create a new world. Works fine like regular Minecraft. There you go. You have it done. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Hope you liked it. Like, view, comment if you want any questions about it. So, see y'all next time.